Hello students, I am Antinima and I will tell you about the antenna. What is an antenna and what are the different types of antenna we used. Our So what is an antenna? An antenna is an electrical device which converts electrical signal into radio waves and vice versa. Vice versa, it means it again converts radio waves into electrical signal. It is usually used with a radio transmitter and radio receiver. An antenna is a device used for sending or receiving electromagnetic waves. Transmitting antenna. See, this is our transmitting antenna. Transmitting antenna is a device which converts sound, light or electrical signal into radio waves and another electrical signal. Receiving antenna. It is a device which converts electromagnetic waves into electrical energy. It means receiving antenna converts electromagnetic waves received from the transmitter into electrical signal and again transmit it to the respective device. Here are the different types of antenna we used. First one is Yagi-Uda antenna, second one is log periodic antenna, third one is helix antenna, fourth one is parabolic antenna and fifth one is loop antenna. These are the 5 types of antenna which we studied. First one is Yagi-Uda antenna. Yagi-Uda antenna consists of a reflector, director and a driven element. From the figure, see, this is our reflector, this is our director and this is our driven load folded dipole. It is a unidirectional antenna. It means it flow electromagnetic signal or transmit electromagnetic signal only in one direction. This is the forward direction. So the frequency range of Yagi-Uda antenna varies from 300 MHz to 3 GHz. Due to this frequency range, Yagi-Uda antenna have some advantages like it has high gain, it has good front to back ratio, it has narrow bandwidth, it is fixed frequency device and greater directivity due to reflector and director. Log periodic antenna, as the name implies, log, it means it has a longitudinal, and the periodic antenna, it means it has a fixed period. Fixed period means it has a fixed period of time. So if it has a fixed period of time, then it has to be independent of frequency. See, a unidirectional antenna is in which the length and spacing of the element increases longitudinally from one end to another, that is from one end to another. From the figure it is clear that from one end to another. Since it is periodic, that's why it is frequency independent antenna. It means it does not depend on the frequency. Whatever the frequency, it transmits signal or it receives signals. The frequency range varies from very high frequency to ultra high frequency band. The advantages of log periodic antenna, it is a broadband antenna. It is a unidirectional antenna like an Yagi-Uda antenna. It is frequency independent antenna. Due to this frequency independent antenna, we use log periodic antenna where the signal is independent of frequency. Helix antenna, it is in the form of a screw. See, this is in the form of a screw. A conducting wire in the form of a screw thread fed by the power source. The feed line is connected between the bottom of the helix and ground plane. See, this is the feed wire. This screw is known as the feed wire. This is our coaxial cable, outer conductor, and this is our ground plane. Clear? Now, helix antenna is omnidirectional antenna. It means it transmit or receive signal either in forward direction or in backward direction. Again, it has a frequency range from very high frequency to ultra high frequency band. What are the Applications of helix antenna. Due to high frequency range, helix antenna is used in satellite communication or in space communication. It is also used in telemetry applications. Next one is parabolic reflector antenna. As the name implies, parabolic, it means it has a parabola. See, this is our parabola. Reflector, it means electromagnetic wave incident on a parabola is reflected back. So it is used to convert spherical wave into a plane wave. This electromagnetic wave incident on a parabola, it is a fed antenna. The fed antenna is called the primary antenna and the reflector antenna is called the secondary antenna. It means the electromagnetic wave incident on a parabolic dish or parabolic antenna is our fed antenna and is also known as primary antenna. And the signal which it transmit or reflect back is secondary antenna, is the reflector antenna. The frequency range of parabolic antenna is from 3 GHz to 30 GHz. The applications of parabolic antenna are radar communication and satellite communication. It means it is used in radar communication or satellite communication due to its high frequency. Next one is loop antenna. See, this is a loop antenna. It forms a loop, a directional type antenna consisting of one or more complete turns of a conductor. One or more, it means it has a one loop, second one is in another loop, third one is in it third loop. So a directional type antenna consisting of one or complete turns of conductor. It determines the direction of arrival of radio signal. Arrival means signal coming from the transmit. Frequency range of loop antenna is 500 to 1600 kilohertz. Due to this small frequency, loop periodic antenna find application in. First one is it is used in finding direction of the signal. Second one is radio reception. Third one is long distance point to point communication. From